Hey everybody, welcome back to Better Computer. My name is Matt, and today's very quick video is going to look at an app I just discovered for the Mac called Shortcat. Shortcat is basically a way to interact with your Mac 100% with your keyboard, and it does a pretty great job of this as a completely free app. So they talk about all the features here, but we're not going to get into that. I'm actually going to try to do the rest of the video without using my mouse. I'm going to set my mouse aside, and we're going to try not to touch it. So I'm on my own web app here called Quick Reviews, which I use to generate images of reviews of things I want to post on social media. I have a whole thread of that. I'll put a link to that in the description if you want to check it out. But yeah, I have a couple keyboard shortcuts I've implemented. So to change the score, I can use Control 1, 2, 3, or 4. And so that's going to change the score for me. If I want to edit this, Command E brings up the editor. I can save it. I can, if I want to save and copy it to my clipboard, save it, and there you go. So I've saved it to my downloads folder, copied it to my clipboard, but I don't have keyboard shortcuts for everything. So up at the top, I have a couple themes you can set for the kind of color scheme of the review. What if I want to do that first one, the one with the house? Let's bring up Shortcat to do that. So I have a keyboard shortcut set up to do that. And when I bring it up, you're going to see this kind of search box that's kind of like a Raycast, Alfred, Spotlight sort of thing. But I also have all of these shortcuts on top of UI elements on the screen. So there's going to be, basically I type in the one that I want to click on it. So B clicks on the home one. There you go. That one looks good. Let's save it. There we go. I've saved it to my downloads folder. Now, let's get out of Safari. Oh, one thing I should also mention before we leave Safari is everything in your menu is accessible as well. So if I bring it up again, you can see I can type like, let's do AW to click on develop, and then I can arrow through these, of course. But what if I wanted to like go straight to something like this, like get Safari Technology Preview? You can also do that. So bring it up, Safari Technology Preview, there it is. Click it, and it does this thing for you. So again, able to access everything that you have in your in the menus from Shortcat. Now let's bring up Mac Whisper. I'll show you how this works in an app. So if I wanted to click Open Files, I don't really see a keyboard shortcut to do that built into Mac Whisper. No problem. Hit O for Open Files. There you go. You can also click on things that are just text. So you don't have to use those shortcuts if there's text showing what's up. So if I wanted to click on that drop down at the bottom left where it says Medium English, I could just bring up the shortcut, Medium, there we go, it finds it, and I can click it. So that's pretty rad. Now let's go to Obsidian. Obsidian, I'll show you the last thing. So Obsidian is an Electron app, doesn't use standard Mac OS elements, but it's still going to work there with the way that Shortcat works. So I'm not going to Command Tab to it. I'm actually going to use Shortcat to bring it up. Looks like OB is the shortcut for that. Clicks it in the dock. And then I have all of these files over there in the sidebar. Let's say I want to go to the top one that says Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs, cool. Let's go ahead and click on the link there, so the URL. So let's say, what's the best way to get there? Said about, there we go. Click it, and now it opens that in the browser for me. So yeah, that's really it. It's not going to be the thing for everybody. Not everybody's going to find use for this, but it's totally free. And if you want to have a quick way to navigate your system with the keyboard only, and apps haven't built in support for that, you can do that here. I should also mention before we go, if you type in preferences, you can go to Shortcat preferences, and there's only a couple things here. You can launch it, login, you can change the activation shortcut, you can show those hints. I will grab the mouse here for a second. After a delay if you want, I kind of like them showing up immediately, and then they have licensing options, which is being re-implemented, so I don't know what the pricing will be eventually, but right now it's completely free, and then there's about just showing you the version. So pretty cool little app. And yeah, I think it's pretty rad. Totally free. Link in the description if you want to check it out. You can install it with Homebrew and everything. So super easy, super low risk, and you can check it out. I'll see you here next time. Bye-bye.